This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Your phone's USB-C port is a hidden powerhouse you've been ignoring. First, its super speed plus lanes push up to 20 gigabits per second, letting you dump raw 4K video or massive AI model files in seconds. Second, alternate modes like DisplayPort and HDMI transform your phone into a 4K AT60HC external monitor or TV screen, giving you a portable workstation on the go. Third, the same connector delivers lossless digital audio and can expand into Ethernet, SD card readers, and extra USB-A ports, turning a modest device into a full-featured hub. That bandwidth even powers decentralized AI inference directly on your device, cutting latency and protecting privacy. So stop treating USB-C as just a charger and start treating it as your mobile command center. Follow ChainMind for more ways to unleash the hidden potential of everyday tech.